Hello guys, my name is Sheikh Nasir. Today we are going to discuss how we create ledger in Excel. You can create any type of ledger in Excel and record our transaction in dynamic way. There are two sheets available in this workbook. Our first sheet is called chart of account and our second sheet is called expenses ledger. In chart of account sheet, all expenses are available in the list with nature of account. Okay, come to the expenses ledger sheet. This is the simple format of ledger account which contain 6 columns. You can create this format easily with the help of Home tab tools. This format is also available on our website. You can create, you can download easily. Link is available in the description below. First of all, we write down the formula in balance column. First of all, press equal to sign, then click at here, plus, debit, minus, credit, and then press enter key. Now balance is available in our cell. Now copy this cell and paste till as we required, just like this, and you can see easily all balances are available with date wise. In head of account column, these expenses are connected via data validation tool. You can see easily this. How is it possible? First of all, click at here and then go to the data tab and select data validation tool. The dialog box will be appear on the screen. Click on the allow button and select list option, which is available in the fourth number in the lists, and then click at here and go to the chart of account sheet and select all head of accounts list, expenses list, just like this, and press 2 times enter, 1 and 2. Now all expenses available in the data validation tool. The main benefit of data validation tool is that we can select only those accounts which is available in the list. For example, we have type any account, cash account. The message will be appear on the screen. Click on cancel button. Okay, we are going to sum our debit and credit column. So click at here and press alt equal to. I repeat, alt and equal to, plus equal to. The sum formula is appearing on the screen, and press enter key. Copy this formula and paste in second column. Now we want to rent ledger for this month. How many rents transactions is recorded in this month? So is it possible? Yes, it is possible. First of all, select header column just like this. Please note at here, the sum formula is not working in filter option. So we will make the subtotal formula at here. The subtotal formula is equal to subtotal parenthesis on, press 9, then comma sign and select the range which is E6 to E18, then press enter key. Now we will apply the filter option to display the rent expenses ledger. First of all, Select the header row just like this, and go to the data tab and select filter. The shortcut key is Ctrl Shift L. The filter option is now available now. Now click at here and then remove the check from select all option and select rent expenses option and then press OK button. Now rent expense ledger is available on the screen of all these transactions means expenses. Rent expense. You can create any type of ledger just like receivable ledgers, payables ledger, expenses ledger, and blah 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 blah. Means inventory ledger, right? I hope you enjoy this video. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and share this video on social media and WhatsApp group. You can download this format from our website. Link is available on video description. Please note we are also providing virtual bookkeeping services in very nominal prices. For bookkeeping services, please contact info@parkbookkeeping.com. All details are available in our description. Okay guys, take care.